I monetized this Faceless YouTube channel in only 45 days using just 2 AI tools, guys. So it's been 2 weeks of monetization, and this is what I made in the last 7 days, which is the second week of monetization. And all I did here was use AI tools to create these videos. So in this video, I am going to show you the exact secret to growing a faceless channel in 30 days. I will show you the exact niche this channel is on. Yes, I'm going to reveal that secret. I will show you why I made this amount of money in just 7 days. I will show you other viral niches you can jump on right now if you want to create a faceless channel that grows really fast. Most importantly, I will show you 3 steps you need to take right now as a beginner, as a newbie, that will help you start a faceless channel that you can grow and monetize in the next 30 to 60 days. So if your goal is to transform your finances in 2026, you need to watch this video because I'm giving you everything you need. Without wasting more time, let's jump straight in because I have a lot to share with you in this video. So I started this YouTube channel late last year. There were about 3 channels I started October, November, and December. Before I started this channel, I took out time to do my due diligence. So I sat down for almost 1 week studying different niches that are doing so well on YouTube right now, faceless niches. And when I found this particular one, it caught my attention. I looked at the number of views videos they are getting. I looked at the age of those channels. This is another important factor a lot of people do not consider when creating a channel. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, one of the things you should look at is those channels that are already doing well in this niche. How many subscribers do they have? How old are these channels? Because if it's a channel that's been there for like 10 years, 15 years, they are doing well. And there's no new channel that's coming up and doing well, competing favorably. It goes to show that there might not be room for new entrants. So when I did my due diligence, I found out that there are a couple of brand new channels that are just few weeks old, few months old, that are competing favorably. So I know that this is going to favor me too. The next thing I did was to spend time and analyze their videos. Those videos that are doing well on these channels, what is it about them as against those that are not doing well? Is it about the content? Is it about the duration? Is it the delivery and everything? When I figured that out, I moved on to the next one, getting to understand the length of the videos in this niche. This is yet another one because initially when I started, I made a couple of mistakes. So in this particular niche, videos that are doing well here are usually 15 minutes, 20, 25, 30 minutes that are getting a lot of views as against what we normally have out there. So most niches out there require you make a video of 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 9, 10 minutes. This finding was a sharp contrast to what we usually do. And of course, I made a mistake because when I started, I came in there with the mindset of what I currently do on this channel. I remember my first video was 5 minutes. It didn't do well. The second video was around 8 minutes. It did not do well until I switched to 15-20 minute video, and guys, it picked up. Now I can't really say if it's because of the length of the video or because of the value, but I shall know that when I started making 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes video, things changed. The next important thing I did that led to this massive success was content mapping. So I mapped out 30-day content in advance, even before I created the first one. And honestly, this helped me a lot. It helped me to stay focused and helped a lot in consistency. If you're starting a new channel, a faceless channel, you should consider using this because it helps you to know exactly what to do, how to do it. Sometimes why people give up is confusion. But this 30-day content helps you know that in the next 2 days, you are going to create this video, you're going to create this video. Of course, that doesn't mean you must create the exact one you mapped out. You know, the more you create content, the better you get. But this 30 days is going to help as a map, a guide. So you come in there, you see what you should create today, and then you see how you can refine it, whether in the title or the structure. But at least this gives you a heads up. So you won't be struggling with coming up with ideas of what to do and not to do. Then you end up not doing anything. The next and most important thing I did that helped me grow this channel and monetize in 45 days was the tools I used. Guys, I used premium tools only. So when it comes to growing a faceless channel, you know that the quality of content you put out there is what determines whether you're going to grow and monetize or not. And this is where the tools and apps come in. Like I said, I used only two tools, and these two tools I used, these two AI tools are premium tools. When you go for premium version of any tool, you get the very best offer they have. Now, am I saying that using free versions are completely bad? No. But if you can afford the premium version, please go for it, because the quality of content it's going to give you will always outshine the free version. And of course, you know, nobody sees your face. So what's going to determine whether you're going to grow fast or not is all about the quality of work you put out there. Now, here comes the most important question in your mind. What's the niche of this channel? Well, the niche is health. But I didn't stop at that. I actually picked a sub niche. One of the biggest secrets to growing a faceless channel is niching down. I mean, going for sub niches, because this is where you're going to find a group of people that truly needs help with something. So when you begin to create content that hits their pain point, you are talking to them directly. You are bound to get a lot of views, even as a brand new YouTube channel. So let me give you example of sub niches in the health niche. The first one is fitness. Okay, people that talk about muscle and weight loss. The next one is dieting. People that focus on, you know, what to eat and all that. The next one is elderly content. Another one is women or men health. I've seen a lot of videos blow up in this niche talking specifically about women, their health related issues and all of that. So these are some of the sub niches in health niche. Here are other viral niches you can create content, faceless content on right now in 2026. The first one is tech and gadgets. It is actually what is on the lips of everyone. If you can create content, faceless content on this, you are going to make a lot of money, even as you grow really fast. Another one is finance. Finance is doing so well, but you need to have a background knowledge to create the kind of content that resonates with your audience. Another important viral faceless niche is prayer niche. Guys, this niche is fire. And then the next one I will recommend is relaxation. These niches are doing so well. Not only are they growing really fast, but the CPM are very high, because most of the people that watch this kind of videos are from first world countries. So if you grow a channel on any of these niches and monetize, you will make a lot of money. You might even end up making more than I made in my last 7 days. So let's talk about why I made this much in just 7 days. Guys, this is a lot of money for a newly monetized channel to be made in 7 days. I mean, 7 days. So why I made this money is because of the geographic location of people that watch these videos. They are from the first world countries. Like over 70% of people that watch videos in this channel are from the US, and they tend to watch longer. So you already know that how much you make from YouTube is determined by where your viewers are coming from, and even the length of time they spend watching the video. Because when someone spends longer time on a video, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, they watch more adverts placed in that video. So this will help you make a lot of money. Now, if you are listening to me and you want to grow a faceless channel and monetize it in less than 60 days and start making hundreds of dollars every week, here are 3 things you need to do right now. The first one is to sit down and do your research. Without planning, without understanding what works on this platform and how things work, you will struggle to grow your YouTube channel, and you will end up saying that this doesn't work. And with this, even if you are just starting out today, you will still succeed more than those that have been in the game for the last 2 years, 3 years. The next thing you need to do is to plan and organize your tools. This is the biggest secret to growing a faceless channel. You need to ask yourself, what are the tools I need? What are the skills I need? What are the apps I will need for this journey to succeed? So you plan it in advance. Get them ready. If it's a premium one, you need to get the premium one. Pay for it before you start. If you start, struggling and not clear on what to do, confused, your audience will notice that you don't even know what you're doing, that you're not even confident in yourself. Why should we, watch your video? But when you come out strong, bold, and confident, like, okay, this person knows where he or she is going, we just have to listen to them. Now, of a truth, your skill set is one of the biggest secrets to growing on this platform. And finally, commit 30 to 90 days to this channel growth. For a newbie, it doesn't happen overnight. Even the OGs, people that have been on this game for years, it doesn't happen overnight. Sometimes people miss great destinies just because they're in a haste, they're impatient. So tell yourself that you're going to spend the next 30 to 90 days putting committed effort to growing this channel. If you want me to hold your hand and show you every secret, the tools, skills, strategies, everything I do, even the apps I use to create my videos, then send me an email. Let me be your coach. Let me show you every single thing you need to grow your Faceless channel. I have just 2 slots left to close for the first quarter of the year. So reach out to me this email and I'm going to help you get this done.